Peace. Welcome. This was Harlem, 125th Street, uptown New York. Basically, like, the black mecca of New York. You know what I'm saying? Other than, like, then you have Brooklyn, which they call Medina. But yeah, like, it's going uptown on the way to the Bronx. Great spots, great food eateries. Great laid back spots all the way around. Great black history is out here all over the place. And yeah, good spot to come to. You know what I'm saying? Keep your eyes open. This is New York.
Shout out to Ron Two Richards. Welcome to New York.
Straight bingo flavors for all those Cincinnati bingo fans out there, true Cincinnati bingo fans. Ben one. So Jeff Blake, Darnay Scott, Paul Pickens, Icky, you feel me? All the way up to Corey, Dillon, Ocho, Cruz Mazada, Chris Henry, God bless. You feel me? Carlson, people, those who know. Oh, damn Pittsburgh Steelers fan, terrible tower. And listen, no disrespect, wipe my ass with that. Like, see, perfect for the jungle. Perfect for the jungle. Yeah, I'm getting these.
I'm Ron Riches. I'm with Al here, at Levels. Leveling up.
Pull up anytime, bro. Pull up anytime. I'll take care of you, bro.
Yes, sir. We got the dopest collection, man. It's an all-name brand. Let's get it. Yes, sir.
Right.
Appreciate you.
This is my favorite Chinese cigarette. It's called Yuxi. It's New York City life. That's all Louis tried to tell you. You come here to New York, you're gonna see all kinds of new and original shit.
Yeah, we have everything here.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Enjoy it.
Down south, y'all know nothing about no Chinese cigarettes, but shit, Chinese cigarettes, you come to New York City, you're gonna get them all day long.
House to house, it's hard when you on your own, you gotta get it tough. You were gonna eat it if you get it out the mud. Facts, no cap, and I stay with.
What's going on? Shout out to my man Ron the Richards. Just finished the interview, and my name is JS, aka the best. We don't make moves, we make movements.
Yeah, thank you. Ron Two Riches, come over here. We're located in Jackson Avenue by Queen Street. We serve fast barbecue on the street. At any time, welcome.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Appreciate you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Bro, listen, this how we do it. New York City. I just missed the nice, like, the beach kebab. Excuse me. Just missed out on the nice kebab, the nice beef kebab. Now they brought out the wing. Now, I didn't expect a wing to be presented like this, to be 100 with you. This, some true New York, hold up, let me show you. See, listen, I got the Henny. It's a tomahawk spicy wing, yo. Shit is off the chain. It's nice, hold on. Hold up. It's an acquired taste. Excuse me, y'all. My etiquette is so kind of fucked up right now. But come to New York, like, come to Queens, Happy Barbecue. Yo, we got all kind of nice little flavors on this block, but listen, this joint right here is where it's at. $3 for the wing. Nice presentable wing. And I'm fucking it up, that's all you need to know. Out here with cuz, out here, New York City with big cuz and shit, doing what we do. But as I always say, yo, listen, be good or be good at it. Peace.
There you go.
QB, appreciate you.
Yeah.
Listen, back in here, Apondi Barbecue. With my people's Lou, I'm saying the owner, like, listen, these beef barbecue, smack your motherfucking mama, I swear to God. Shit is off the chain. Listen, hold up. There you go, cousin.
It's a portable. The portable.
There you go, cousin. Get the bill. Get this, bro. Hey, stop filming me. Grab this out my hand.
Oh, my bad.
Like, yo, what you doing? But listen, Lou gave us these. You know what I mean? Perfect gentleman. These barbecue. Listen.
When you're on the road, when you're in a rush, okay? This is the best thing you can have.
Long Island City, right? On Queens Street and Jackson Boulevard, is it?
Jackson Avenue.
Jackson Avenue, Queen Street. Come out here to Apondi Barbecue. I swear. You come see my man Lou. They say, listen, say Abdul sent you. Or Dread. You know, trust me, he got you. He got you. Or Ron the Richest. Peace. I want everybody to focus on the food, not myself. You see what I'm saying? All right. Hey, you're back at it. Greediest motherfucker. Munchie mode. Street meat. Out here in New York City with Ron the Richest. Yo, chilla. Shishi or Shala. You know, thank you very much to my Asian brother right here, Lou. Hey, provided us again with something extravagant. First time with the barbecue skewer beef ribs, right? Spicy, right? Spicy for those who can handle the spice. If you can't handle the spice, fuck it. But anyway, these tomahawk wings, spicy, golden crisp. Well, hold on. Got past one of my cousin. Hold on. Hey, editing. We're back at it. Sword play. Pop. But this wing right here. You come out here. Oh,
That's good.
what?
The kick.
What?
Kick you right there.
Come to Queens, Jackson Street. Check it out. Crowd line is lit. This is where it's at. You come out here, you get these goddamn wings. Yeah, you ask for Lou. Lou will make sure you good. Trust me on that. On Ron the Richest. I'm loving this shit, bro. Late night out here in New York City. Best life out here.
Let me tell you a Chinese wisdom or a logic. So it's an old, long time ago. There's a saying, in old Chinese, a dog, when he walks 1,000 miles, he always eat shit. A wolf, doesn't matter if he's wounded, thirsty, or hungry, he always eat meat. So be a wolf,
Right.
not dog.